will be studying the electromagnetic spectrum, which is chapter 15 in the physics syllabus. So there are 7 electromagnetic waves starting from gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible light, infrared, microwave, and radio. So from gamma rays to radio waves, the frequency decreases, but the wavelength increases. Visible light can be dispersed into violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. And when white light is passed through a glass prism, because it's traveling from a lighter to a denser medium, it's refracted. If we draw a normal here, it's going to be bending towards normal. And because each color has different frequencies, you're going to see the different colors dispersed. And when the different colors pass from the glass to the air, basically from a denser medium to a lighter medium, they're going to bend away from the normal and at different frequencies. So common properties of electromagnetic waves are that they don't require a medium. They all travel with the same speed of light, which is 3 × 10⁸. All of them are transverse waves. They don't have any charge. They carry energy and they can be reflected or refracted. So the first one is the gamma rays, and those are produced from the nucleus of an atom. They are used in the treatment of cancer. They're used to kill cancer cells and in the sterilization of surgical instruments. X-rays are produced by stopping fast-moving electrons by a metal, and they're used in taking images of cracks in bones and metals. Ultraviolet rays are produced by very hot objects like the sun or welding rods, which are used to bend metals. And they are used in the sterilization of surgical instruments. They are used to check forged money and in sunbeds. Visible light is produced by luminous objects, and they're used to see objects and in optic fibers. This is a pretty common one. Infrared waves are produced by warm objects. They are used in TV remotes and to warm objects. Microwaves are used in microwave ovens and also in telecommunications. They penetrate the atmosphere without a significant loss of energy. So if you want to send a message to some other place on the planet, you use microwaves to send it up to the satellite, and then the satellite sends it down to your destination through microwaves. So this is where microwaves are used. Radio waves are produced by the vibration of electrons in a circuit, and they are also used in telecommunications and radar telescopes. Basically, you have to memorize all of these. It's a very simple chapter, and this is basically the end.